have to have the creativity. You have to open your mind and see what's the pain point and how we can make our processes more efficient through mobility. And that is very important for a global manufacturing company like SKF.
You don't think of it, but you have bearings in almost everything. Bicycles, cars, trains, airplanes, everywhere. They're everywhere.
In SKF IT, our job is to provide value to our employees, especially in the factories, because that's our core business. The most exciting part is to take a complex process from PC to a simple mobile app. We use the combination of the backend and integration from SAP and the user experience from Apple that we never could have done before. Previously, the system was complex for the operators, but now with iPhone, it's more efficient, eliminating errors in the production channel from 20% to 0.
To see the next type of bearing you're supposed to assemble, in 30 seconds you can look it on the phone and you're on the way. As an operator, you shouldn't have to learn the whole SAP system because the app does the work for you. A single swipe or a single tap allows me to do much more than before. We have everything in here.
Innovation is to convert an idea to a product or solution that brings value to someone and makes a difference. The development of iOS apps enable us to be more mobile, more efficient, improving our processes to be the best in the market. That's innovation for me.